Did you know there are over 600,000 action verbs in the English language? Crazy, right? But don't worry. You don't need to learn all of them. Today, we're zooming in on just 10 essential action verbs that can seriously level up your communication skills. Let's get started. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're an English learner, you know that mastering action verbs is key to sounding fluent and confident. Today, we're diving into 10 action verbs that you absolutely must know. These verbs are super useful in everyday conversations and will help you express yourself more clearly. So, let's jump right in. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about a common challenge many English learners face. Have you ever felt stuck when trying to find the right verb to express an action? Maybe you've used the same boring verbs over and over again, like go or make, and it feels like your conversations are lacking some spice. This can really hold you back from speaking confidently. The good news? By expanding your verb vocabulary, you can express actions more vividly and accurately. So, let's tackle this head-on and explore some powerful action verbs that will boost your language skills. Exploration/development. Alright, let's get into the fun part. Here are 10 action verbs that every English learner should know. 1. Achieve. This means to reach a goal or complete something successfully. For example, I worked hard to achieve my dream of becoming a doctor. 2. Improve. To make something better. You can say, I want to improve my English skills by practicing every day. 3. Explore. To investigate or travel through an area to learn more about it. For instance, I love to explore new cities when I travel. 4. Communicate. This means to share or exchange information. An example could be, it's important to communicate your ideas clearly. 5. Motivate. To inspire someone to take action. You might say, my coach always motivates me to do my best. 6. Create. To make something new. For example, I like to create art in my free time. 7. Collaborate. To work together with others. You can use it in a sentence like, our team will collaborate on this project to make it successful. 8. Adapt. This means to change something to fit new conditions. For example, I had to adapt to the new environment when I moved to a different country. 9. Influence. To have an effect on someone or something. You might say, teachers can influence their students in amazing ways. 10. Transform. To change something completely. For instance, this experience will transform the way I view the world. Remember, using these verbs in different contexts can really help you sound more natural and confident in your conversations. Climax/key moment. Now, out of all these verbs, I want to highlight communicate. Why? Because communication is at the heart of everything we do. Whether you're making friends, participating in meetings, or just ordering food, effective communication is key. I remember when I first moved to an English-speaking country, I struggled to express myself. But once I focused on improving my ability to communicate, everything changed. I formed friendships, participated in discussions, and felt way more confident. So, mastering this verb can truly transform your English skills. Conclusion/summary. So, just to recap, we covered 10 action verbs today that are essential for every English learner: achieve, improve, explore, communicate, motivate, create, collaborate, adapt, influence, and transform. Each of these verbs can help you express yourself more clearly and confidently, paving the way for better conversations. Call to action, CTA. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite action verb from the list? Drop it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want more language learning tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.